How to upload audio to Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to upload audio in your Roblox. So first of all, go to the Roblox website and log in with your account. And next, click on the create option in the top that is between Marketplace and Roblox. Then scroll down and then click on manage my experiences. Once you do that, switch to development items, which is the last option, and then select audio, the third option beneath it. Now you can upload your audio asset over here. Click on upload asset button, then select a sound file you'd like to upload. You can also add a description and name for your audio and make sure to select the type as audio. And once you've filled everything out, click on upload and your audio may take some time to be reviewed. And that's it. You've learned how to upload audio in Roblox. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.